Have you ever wondered what the most efficient math program could be in America? America has a lot of potential. Unfortunately, we see that in some places, 36% of fourth graders are not proficient in math. Well, we need to change that. And as a school, we have a pathway we've made for our students. But this pathway is available to any student, even if you don't attend Lifestem Academy. So if you know anybody out there who's looking for an efficient math program, please tell them to reach out to us through our website, my email. We can provide them with this resource, which will help them be the best they can be in math. Before I show you the pathway, I want to mention two quick things. Number one, where are we headed with this pathway? We're going to calculus. We're going to give every child the opportunity to take calculus, statistics, and more math if they want beyond that. But we do not want to limit anybody's ability. So we go back to the fundamentals using tools like Singapore Math. We have Mammoth Math, we have Singapore Math at our school, a very good program. So it goes through 6th grade. There's one for pre-algebra as well. However, when students get into 4th grade at our school, they are also eligible for another pathway of math. And that's what I want to talk to you about over here. So they start out with this whole number arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They do some integer arithmetic with negative numbers. They move down to working with expressions and formulas, fractions, decimals, and percents, and then ratios and proportions. So this is what 4th graders, 5th graders, 6th graders, 7th graders generally learn in America. We just provide all our students with the option to learn all that, and so they can spend a few months or semesters, whatever they want to do on some of these concepts. Over here, notice that the topics go from ratios and proportions into equations, which is more algebra, right? So you're doing Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 together at our school. We give you all the topics you need. And here's the cool thing. I'll grab one of my notes here. The cool thing is we have these booklets, and every one of these booklets, right, covers a specific concept. So for example, we have booklets for fractions over here, right? So when a student comes home, they say, I'm working on fractions. We teach them to specify what aspect of fractions they're working on and have they mastered that. If they've not mastered that concept, we have resources, textbooks, online material, and we help them master every single concept. With whatever resources we need to, we will help our students to master concepts. So we have equations, graphing, inequalities, and so on and so forth. These are the concepts, again, that you see in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, which in America, there's a lot of overlap between those two courses. So you can easily cover both in a year, easily. Now, and I say that, please know that it's not about your mental ability to do math that helps you. It's the study skills. And we emphasize note-taking, having dedicated notebooks that you use to write the notes from the things you're learning. We build on study skills, and that will help you go far. So finally, you've gone through pre-algebra, you've gone through Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and then we end with pre-calculus and geometry. We have a course for this as well. So we have a course for geometry, we have a course for pre-calc, we have a course for Algebra 1, we have a course for Algebra 2, and we have a course for pre-algebra, which anybody can take even if they're in 4th grade, and they can go into Algebra 1 in 5th or 6th grade. Finally, we get to the beautiful field of math called calculus. I was talking to somebody today and they asked me, when do you get to use it? You use it all the time. You use it when you're doing business modeling. You use it when airplanes are flying. There's calculus involved. But here's the cool thing about calculus. It's beautiful even if you don't use it anywhere. It's just beautiful in how things flow from all these concepts that you learned back in algebra. Now you get to see them in action in calculus. American young people, why are you not doing calculus? Why are your teachers telling you don't need to do calculus? Please put that away. Focus on getting to calculus because it will open doors for you like nothing. Like it will just give you opportunities to explore medicine, engineering, economics, any field of study that has some weight in the academic field generally has some math and statistical ability, and that's why we want you to get the skills necessary. We're here for you through the school year, through the summer. We want students to flourish, and that's why we're here. Lifestem Academy, in person in Moorhead and Grand Forks, North Dakota, but also in online for all in America and beyond. Join us if you want to have an efficient math plan where we know exactly what we're working with. We have a list of topics and we're mastering them one after the other. Thank you and have a blessed day.